looking at how to get started with a free demo account on the ObejorDev platform. Alright, before we get started, don't forget to like, to share, and to drop a comment below this video in case you have any questions. Then also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on that notification bell so that anytime we drop a new tutorial you'll be the first to be notified. Alright, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. So you just locate your browser and open your browser up. Okay, so once your browser is opened, then you type www.obejordev.com. that is the website. Then you locate this button here that says get started, or you can find the button down below here where it says get started. Alright, so we are just going to be starting with the Stocksavi inventory and POS system software. Okay, so you click on get started here and it takes you to this next page. So on the page, as you can see, it says try POS management system before you buy. So this is more or less like a trial. Alright, so you are just using it for free for now. You test run it. If it fits into your business, then you can be able to get a subscription plan that works for your inventory very well. Okay, so to get started, just scroll down here. You see this button that says launch demo. Then you click on it. It opens you up to a new tab where you can be able to sign in. Alright, so you clean out these details here and you go back to the format tab. Alright, so you click here to copy this username here. So you copy it, you go to the new tab and you paste it there. Alright, so you come here again, you clean the details here, go back to the old tab, copy the password here. So you click on copied, so you go to the new tab, you click on it here and you paste. Okay, so here you click on remember me so that anytime you come back here you will be signed in automatically. Okay, so you click on sign in. So as you can see, this is your demo dashboard. This is your demo account. You've already created a demo account. Alright, so this is the dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks like. And on the dashboard you have the sales icon here. Okay, then you have the inventory, you have the purchase, you have the managed stock, you have finance and accounts, you have people, you have users, you have reports, then you have the general settings. So in our next tutorial video, we'll be looking at how you can be able to get a subscription plan. Okay, after using this free package and you love it, you love what you see, it's working for you, then you can subscribe to get a plan that works for your business. Alright, so don't forget to like, share, and to drop a comment. If you have any questions, something that you don't understand, just drop a comment below this video. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new tutorial you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you. We'll see you in the next tutorial.